Rape-accused former Uttar Pradesh Minister Gayatri Prajapati has been arrested in Lucknow. He was absconding for nearly a month. Prajapati was produced before a court in Lucknow, which sent him to 14-day judicial custody.
पूर्व मंत्री गायत्री प्रजापति को न्यायिक एवं सत्र न्यायाधीश कोर्ट में पेश किया गया, जहां पर उन्हें कस्टडी में लेकर 14 दिन की न्यायिक हिरासत में जिला जेल भेज दिया गया।
Sharing the sequence of events that led to his arrest, UP police said that they had been following leads and had even questioned Prajapati's sons to track him down.
अभी तक ये अंडरग्राउंड थे, पर क्योंकि हम लोगों ने कार्रवाई इसमें कुर्की की और इनके बेटे के साथ जब पूछताछ की, उसके बाद ये प्रेशर में आए हैं और इनका नियत थी कि ये सरेंडर हो जाए कोर्ट में चुपचाप, लेकिन हमारी टीम क्योंकि लगातार इनके पीछे लगी हुई थी, उसी के आधार पे इनकी जैसे ही हमें लोकेशन मिली और हमारी टीम ने इनको अरेस्ट किया।
Rape-accused former Uttar Pradesh minister has been absconding since February 27th. 6 people named in the FIR against the 49-year-old SP leader have already been arrested by the police. Prajapati was booked on a Supreme Court directive and an FIR was lodged on February 17th against the minister and 6 others for allegedly gang-raping a woman and alleged attempt to rape her minor daughter. The Apex Court had asked the UP police to submit an action-taken reports regarding the incidents in 8 weeks. And here's a look back at Gayatri Prajapati's checkered past and his run-ins with the law. It took the top court of the country to intervene and a change of political guard in the state to get a rape accused behind bars. Such was the state of affairs in SP-ruled Uttar Pradesh.
Gayatri Prajapati needs no introduction, as he has been grabbing headlines mostly for all the wrong reasons. One of the most controversial ministers of Uttar Pradesh's outgoing Chief Minister Akhilesh Yadav, Prajapati has been in the eye of the storm and a cause of embarrassment for his government and party on a number of occasions. A first-time MLA after winning from Amethi in 2012, it was a tale of rags to riches for Gayatri Prajapati. A BPL card holder till 2012, Prajapati is reported to have obtained assets worth million in a span of 3 to 4 years. In February 2013, Prajapati was inducted into Akhilesh Yadav's ministry as Minister of State for Irrigation. Within 4 months, he was given independent charge of the mining ministry in July 2013. In January 2014, he was elevated to cabinet rank. By this time, Prajapati had achieved close ties with Mulayam Singh Yadav and Akhilesh Yadav. In 2015, complaints were filed with the state Lokayukta against Prajapati, accusing him of amassing wealth disproportionate to his known sources of income and sheltering illegal mining in the state. However, the inquiries were closed due to lack of evidence. As allegations of corruption in Gayatri Prajapati's mining mounted, in July 2016, the Allahabad High Court asked the CBI for a report on whether illegal mining was being carried out in the state with the collusion of authorities. In September, the High Court also rejected an application by the state government for withdrawal of its order. After a couple of days, Akhilesh Yadav sacked Prajapati from his cabinet. His sacking blew into a full-fledged battle in the Yadav family, as Mulayam Singh was said to have pressurized Akhilesh Yadav to induct him back into the government. Prajapati again came into the eye of the storm when a woman from Bundelkhand accused him and his aides of gang-raping her at his official residence in Lucknow in 2014. The woman alleged that she was first assaulted in October 2014 and the assaults had continued until July 2016 when an attempt to rape her minor daughter was made. As her attempts to get a case registered against Prajapati failed because of police inaction, she finally moved to the Supreme Court. On the direction of the Apex Court, an FIR was registered against Prajapati on 27th of February 2017, though he continued to move out freely and campaigned in UP assembly polls. On March 4th, non-bailable warrant was issued against Prajapati. Airports across the state were put on alert after reports said that Prajapati was planning to leave the country to evade arrest. The passport of Prajapati was impounded and a lookout notice was issued against him. On 6th of March, Supreme Court refused relief to the absconding minister. Finally, after being at large for 17 days, Prajapati was arrested on Wednesday. Bureau Report, DD News.